Welcome back to Beautyistic. Have you ever wished for a lipstick that combines luxury, smoothness, and long-lasting hydration? Well, today we're talking about the Givenchy Le Rouge Interdit Intense Silk Lipstick in the stunning shade N319 Rouge Santal. This isn't just another lipstick. It promises a semi-matte finish with silk-like texture and 24-hour hydration. Let's dive into how it lives up to those claims. The Givenchy Le Rouge Interdit Intense Silk Lipstick is all about luxury with a modern twist. With its creamy texture, it glides effortlessly on the lips, giving you that smooth, luscious feel from the first swipe. The formula is designed to lock in moisture for up to 24 hours, ideal for those of us who need a lipstick that won't dry out or need constant touch-ups throughout the day. Plus, the shade Rouge Santal gives you a rich, deep red with a hint of warmth, perfect for a sophisticated look. As for the texture, it's incredibly soft, almost like silk, and it applies evenly without any tugging. I loved how it felt lightweight on my lips without that heavy, cakey feeling some lipsticks can leave behind. It's also highly pigmented, so 1 or 2 layers are all you need to get a full coverage that's beautifully smooth. Now, I know you're wondering, does it really stay hydrated for 24 hours? After testing it throughout a busy day, I can say it holds up pretty well. While it won't replace your lip balm for hydration, it definitely keeps your lips feeling smooth and moisturized without the need for constant reapplication. The semi-matte finish is gorgeous. It's not too flat, but has just the right amount of luminosity to make your lips stand out without being overly glossy. However, the price point may give some pause. Givenchy is a high-end brand, and this lipstick is priced accordingly. If you're someone who loves splurging on luxe beauty products, this could be your new go-to. But if you're looking for something on a budget, there are alternatives that might offer similar performance at a lower cost. But then again, with Givenchy, you're also paying for the experience. The packaging is sleek, the texture is decadent, and the color payoff is excellent. If you've used other high-end lipsticks, you'll find the Givenchy Le Rouge Interdit Intense Silk to be a treat. It stands out for its smooth application, comfortable wear, and impressive hydration, but whether or not it justifies the price is entirely up to you. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and if you've tried this lipstick, drop a comment below to let us know your thoughts. We'd love to hear if you think it lives up to the hype. Until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.